Fine. Now we will come to this question. And if you remember when we solved this the other day, I told you to assume that each term is equal to 1. And I didn't give you any justification for that. I told you that it works and you should go with it. Okay? But now I will tell you why each term is equal to 1 or must be equal to 1 in either of the cases. Even in that NEST PYQ or that IACS PYQ, in both the cases, the every term is equal to 1. And the answer lies in an inequality called the arithmetic mean geometric mean inequality. Now this inequality for two numbers you might know. Suppose x and y are positive, then x plus y upon 2, that's the aim, is always greater than or equal to the root, okay, the gn. And this also applies to three positive numbers, or in general n positive numbers. Okay, so x plus y plus z upon 3 is greater than or equal to cube root of xy. Okay, cube root of xy. Now I will show you that our equation in both the problems actually boils down to this. Okay, actually boils down to the equality part. Okay, now there's one thing about AMGM inequality, and that is when x, y and z are equal, inequality becomes equation. Okay, when x, y and z are equal, inequality becomes equation. Okay, inequality becomes equation. Okay, now we will solve both the problems simultaneously because the pattern is the same. The pattern is the same. Okay, the pattern is the same for both the problems. Okay, first of all, I would like to change the base, so let the base be e. Okay, let the base be e. So what will be here? We will get 2 by 3 ln a by ln b plus 3 by 5 ln b by ln c plus 5 by 2 ln c by ln a equals 3. Raise your hands if you understand this. So we are using the change of base property. Okay, using change of base we got it. Can someone tell me the equation for the second one, second problem? What will it be? 2 ln x upon ln y plus 2 ln y upon ln z plus ln z upon 4 ln x equal to 3. Okay. Now this is another critical step in the problem, and this critical step is to observe the product. Please tell me, what do the three terms on LHS multiply to? That is, if I multiply 2 ln a by 3 ln b by 3 by 5 ln b upon ln c and the product by 5 by 2 ln c upon ln a, what will be the product? Tell me, come on, what will be the product? 1. Product will be 1. Now if the product of the three terms is 1, okay, if the product of the three terms is 1, it is telling you something. Okay, if the product is 1, then the cube root of the product will also be 1. Did you understand this? If the product is 1, then the cube root of the terms is also 1. Okay, if the product is equal to 1, then the cube root of the terms is also. Now, can you tell me the arithmetic mean of the terms? What I'm asking you to calculate is, so it's basically same, okay? Even here the product is equal to 1. Just a second. Even if you take the product of these three terms, the product is 1. And why did I take the cube root? Because I wanted to emphasize now, I want to emphasize that the geometric mean is equal to 1. The geometric mean is equal to 1. Okay. Now, what happens if you add all the terms and divide it by 3? What happens if you add all the terms and divide it by 3? Which number are you going to get? 1. Because on the right side you already have 3. So if you divide both sides by 3, what will you get? You will get the arithmetic mean equal to 1. Raise your hands if you understand this. Everybody understood that part? Now, when you have arithmetic mean of 3 numbers equal to their geometric mean, what does that tell you? Then they are same basically. So the converse of this is also true. When arithmetic mean is equal to geometric mean, the numbers are same. Each term must be same as other terms, and because they add to 1, each term must be equal to 1. Now if every term is equal to 1, then I guess you can find the values of a and c in the first case and x and z in the second case. Is it clear?